Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial. So in the previous tutorial we pre-processed our data to make it ready for our model, and therefore today we can start fitting logistic regression to our training set, and that's what we're going to do in this tutorial. So as usual, let's import the correct library for that job, which is going to be the linear model library. And why linear? It's because the logistic regression is a linear classifier, which means that here, since we are in 2 dimensions, our 2 categories of users are going to be separated by a straight line. So you're going to see your intuition of logistic regression is even going to be better shaped when you will find out about the graphic results. So let's import this library by typing from sklearn that linear model. That's the name of the library. Here it is. Okay, and then import. We're going to import the right class for it, which is the logistic regression class. Once again, a very intuitive name, we like it. And then, as usual, we are going to create an object from this class, which is going to be our classifier that we're going to fit on our training set. So let's do it. I'm going to create a new variable classifier, which is actually our logistic regression object. And to create this object, I'm going to call the class logistic regression. And here we go. The logistic regression class has several parameters. We can check them by inspecting the logistic regression class. We type command I to inspect the class. Here we go. As you can see, there are several parameters, but we're not going to use any of them. We're only going to use the random state parameter here just to have the same results. So here I'm going to input random state equals 0 so that we all get the same results. All right, so our logistic regression object is ready. And now I'm going to take it, classifier, and I'm going to fit it to the training set. And to do this, I'm going to use this method here, which is the fit method, to fit it to our training set. Okay, so enter, fit, and then we want to fit it to our training set. So here we input xtrain and ytrain. Because remember, what this means is that we're taking our logistic regression classifier object, we are fitting it to the training set xtrain and ytrain, so that our classifier learns the correlations between xtrain and ytrain. Then by learning those correlations, he will be able to use what he learned to predict new observations. And we're going to test its predictive power on a different set, which is going to be the test set. And that's what we're going to do in the next tutorial. So I'm just going to select here this, Command and Control plus Enter to execute. And here we go. Now our logistic regression model is fitted to the training set. Okay, so that's perfect. Our logistic regression model is fitted to the training set. And now in the next tutorial, we will be predicting the test set results with this logistic regression model. So I look forward to seeing you there. And until then, enjoy machine learning.